How to make Facebook ad on PicsArt. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can make Facebook ad on PicsArt. For that, you'll have to open any browser on your device and at the search bar type PicsArt.com. Press enter and you will reach to the official website of PicsArt. Here, make sure you are logged into your account. Once you reach to this interface, here you will find search icon just ahead of your profile picture at the upper right corner of the screen. Click on that search icon and you will reach to the new page where at the top you will find various editing and designing tools. Hover your cursor to the design option next to batch editor and below you will be presented with variety of maker templates. From the maker template, select Facebook ad maker template under social media heading, which is located just below the Pinterest pin maker. Once you find it, click on this option and you will reach to a new page again. At the left bottom you will find create your Facebook ad now option. Click on that option and you are ready to enter the editing space now. Once you have reached the editing space, at the left side you will find various templates that you can use for making your Facebook ad. Scroll down and find the one that you are looking for. Once you have found the one you are looking for, double click on the template to bring it to your canvas and you can see the template has been displayed on your canvas. Now from here you can edit further and make your Facebook ad as per your liking. By clicking on the elements at the right side, you can edit them one by one. So in this way you can make Facebook ad using Facebook ad maker on PicsArt. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.